the gas was cut off. We cut off the electricity, and now the phones don't work because the lines are flooded. So to me, it's pretty scary.
There's not much else we can do. We tried to put our furniture on blocks, so if the water comes into the house, well, maybe it won't do too much damage.
Profound discouragement. Honestly, we thought that the worst was behind us 2 weeks ago, and now we've surpassed what was the highest point 2 weeks ago. But I also feel a good wave of empathy and solidarity. I see people being able to rely on each other, giving each other a hand, trying to get help and give help. So that gives more of the encouragement that I think everyone needs to get through this really hard challenge that we have in front of us.
Donc il reste 2 personnes dans une